What's up, guys? Bearded Jeeper here, and I got this awesome package from Nikki G, one of my loyal fans, supporters, subscribers, whatever you want to call them. I made a video a while back saying I'd like to have some more art on the walls here. I had that cutout logo that Devin made out of metal, and that was really awesome, but I wanted to try to get some more art on the walls, and he said he was going to send me something. So it's here. Let's see what we got. I did watch a video he sent me on him making this, and I am freaking excited. So let's get the main piece here. That is awesome. It did turn out really shiny, even though you used some real old polish. You can see the reflection of stuff in the room here. Look, you can see the computer screen. It's a little trippy. He made me this awesome cutout of the United States, and he signed the back here, put the VIN number of the Jeep this came off of. This came off the hood of his Cherokee. That's awesome, dude. Thank you. So my plan with this, after I saw that he was making this, is I'm gonna take it and find some way to put little pinpoints or dots on all the different places around the states that I've been wheeling. So I've wheeled in Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Pennsylvania. I don't think I'm missing anything else, but I'd like to wheel in a bunch more states, if not all of them, but that's a big goal for sure. The thing kind of standing out to me is this: a half or a piece of bread in a sandwich baggie with looks like a bite out of it. Motion sickness bags, quite a few of them. Stow carry-on articles under this seat sticker, 2 of them. No smoking. Do not use. I want to put this on the bathroom in my house. Service for catering equipment stickers. Another do not open. No smoking. And do not load the cargo department or cargo compartment. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these stickers yet, but I think that's pretty funny. I might throw a few of these up around the office. I just think this cargo compartment one's kind of funny. I almost want to put it on like a shelf or glove box on my Jeep or something, telling people not to shove their crap in there. Quite a few awesome things, but of course the main piece here is the map of the US. I think it turned out really awesome. I really appreciate it, and that's definitely going to go up on the wall. I'm going to have to do a separate video once I figure out where all the spots I can put this on the wall. So that's it. A huge thank you to Nikki G for sending me these awesome gifts and something to hang on the wall of the office. Let me know if you guys want to send something to put up in the office. I'll definitely hang it up in here, and I guess nothing's off limits. I don't know if I dare say that, because I know some of you crazy bastards out there are gonna challenge me on that and send me something that I might actually not want to put in the office. So we're gonna find out for sure, but I guess that's it for now, guys. As always, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.